what that is? You heard that funny sound? I was pulling full up elevator, and I think what's happening is the turbulence over the wings is choking the EDF. Or the EDF's, you know, coughing on the turbulence coming off the wings. Set up for another landing, hopefully in one piece again. Alright, I cut the power way out there, way early. We'll see what happens. Coming in. Nice headwind. Oh, if that didn't break it, nothing will. Well, definitely did something to the Elevon.
Yeah.
Could be the linkage inside.
Uh-huh.
Maybe broke the control horn or something. But actually, that would be easy to replace, now that I've made it removable and all.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's all loose. I don't know. I won't know until I get the cover off, the servo cover. All right, Norm.
On your last flight, were you not on it full throttle? This one seemed faster.
Yeah, I didn't do as many full
okay,
throttle passes because I didn't have the GPS in there.
Yeah.
I figured, why push it? All right. Well, you're smiling. 169.
Oh,
Holy moly.
I was going to say, that seems so fast.
That,
Wow.
that restores my faith in those Turnigy batteries.
There you go.